Paul79 here. I hope you're safe and well. Hope you're all having good weeks. It's only Wednesday, so it's the hump day. But anyway, it's really cold here in the UK at the moment. Absolutely freezing. But lucky for me, I've got my new branded jacket. What do you think of this? Got a lovely embroidery here. Got it on the back. And yeah, so now I'm a walking sandwich board, if you remember them. Showing me age now. But yeah, so I just want to first of all give a shout out to Brand 88 Clothing. They are the guys that got this done for me. I chose the jacket via my good mate Dave Scott, and yeah, he organised it for me and got it done, and it's fantastic. I will put sort of details of their Facebook page, their website, all in the description. But yeah, they're well worth a look up because this is brilliant. I absolutely love it. My wife thinks thinks I'm a car salesman every time I wear it. Sort of, I am sort of indirectly one. But anyway, right. So this isn't going to be part 3 of my car SOS build. This is just a real quick one because I wanted to talk to you about condensation on lights. Now, this doesn't just apply to building kit cars, it doesn't just apply to, you know, Porsches in general. It applies to all sorts of headlights, you know, and often these days the lights, both front and back on cars, you know, they're LEDs and everything is contained in the one unit, and what you can often get is condensation build up. So look at this. So this is part of the car SOS project. Hi Baz, you alright mate? And one of his rear lights is looking rather poorly. Now, it's not because it has a leak, far from it. It's the complete opposite really, but we all know how condensation happens. It's just the difference in temperature between the outside of something and the inside of something. You know, when it's really cold in your house, you know, the inside of your windows will have condensation on because it's warmer on the inside than it is on the outside. Now, the trick is how do you get rid of it? Now, the issue is it isn't because there is water getting inside the light. What the issue is on all of these lights, what you'll find is on the back there'll be some sort of well, these are actually valves. You see these grey things, right? They're like a hard cap that covers a rubber sort of tube, right? And what they are designed to do is they are designed to let the light breathe. And the issue we've got here is there is no way that this light can breathe to let out the condensation. So what I'm going to have to do is, you can't just stick this in the airing cupboard and hope that it will sort itself out. If it's all blocked, we're going to need to open up these valves. So that's what I'm going to show you. See you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so this is the back of these Porsche lights, but like I said, it could be applicable to any light. And we've got these sort of valves. Now, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to take off the plastic cap, and you can tell that I prepared this earlier. So there, that comes off like that, and you'll see you've got this rubber. Now, what the problem was is that was completely pushed in like that, and it shouldn't be. So in order to sort of solve these this condensation problem, I'm just going to completely take them off. All right, and you can see it is just an open hole, right? So Porsche have designed it just to have 2. So I'm going to take the other one off. This part of the light was attached before, and it was getting in the way of actually getting the cap off there. So I just unscrewed this just temporarily. I'm going to take that off, and then I'm just going to put them in my house, just in my office, hopefully for just a couple of days. Well, actually, the time is now 8:30. Let's see what happens in 12 hours, right? So you can see how bad the condensation is. It goes right up there as well. But yeah, hopefully that will make a difference. So I'll see you in 12 hours. So after about 12 hours, it hadn't really done anything. So it's over a week later now. I've had a haircut as well. And yeah, pleased to say it is all demisted now. So I've put the I put the caps back on, the grey caps, and everything's good. You know, I'm not lying to you, this is the same light, and all I've done is I literally took those caps off and I just stuck it in one of my bedrooms and just let it do its thing. So there you go. I hope that helps someone, and yeah, see you on the next video. Take care everyone, bye bye.